guys, welcome back to another episode of Get Glassy with Chifo. It's still your girl again, Blessing. If you're just clicking on our video for the very first time, I want to say thank you so much for clicking on our video. And on this channel we talk about everything that has to do with your skin, how to make your skin healthy, and also get this glassy look. So if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload videos like this, you'll be the very first to be notified. And for our returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVP, guys. I just want to say thank you for your support to our channel. So in today's episode, guys, we'll be reviewing a product here. This product, really, I've talked about it in my previous video, but I just mentioned it. I didn't really discuss it in detail. So we'll be dissecting and talking about everything that you need to know about this product. Please note that I'm not marketing any of these products. I'm just giving you honest review based on my usage. I'm not affiliated to any brand I talk about on this channel, so none of them is paying me. I'm just saying it out of experience and the passion for your skin. So now let's quickly dive into it. So which product are we reviewing today, guys? It's no other than the Soft 7 turmeric oil. Yes, Soft 7 turmeric oil. You can see I've been using this and it's just remaining small. Yeah, so I've used this and this is what is left of it. Yeah, so let me just do a 360 so you can see the label. Yeah, so this is the Soft 7 turmeric super whitening and glowing oil with honey. Yeah, it claims to repair your body, works on anti-dark spots and anti-aging. Yeah, we know that turmeric helps with anti-aging. It's an anti-aging ingredient that helps to repair your skin barrier, right? And then it also has honey. We know that honey also helps to firm up your skin cells and also exfoliate dead skin cells in that process. Now the active ingredients in this product are argan oil, cuisine sita organic, which is 75%. It has carrot extract, it has glutathione, and then it has B12 oil extract, right? These are beautiful ingredients that will help to lighten your skin, firm up your skin, and also give you this healthy radiant look. Now let's see what the manufacturer claims this will do for you. It claims that it will clear your knuckles, it's super whitening, it will clear dark armpits, it will clear dark thighs, clear black spots, dark spots, and it's also an anti-dark spots treatment oil. Now this cream claims to work in 7 days, that you start seeing visible results in 7 days, and the quantity here is 250 ml. Yeah, this cream is made in Thailand by E.B. Johnson. Now this is something I use the whole of November, December. Yeah, because I mentioned in my previous videos, if you are seeing from November, that I'll be going home for holiday, which I did. I went home and I spent almost a month in the north when the Harmattan was at its peak. So I needed to get all the bulletproof to keep my skin healthy. I didn't want to come back with my skin looking very unhealthy and damaged. Even though I couldn't prevent it 100%, my skin somehow still got exposed to the sun, and I tanned, and again I broke out a lot. So it was when you notice I came back. I've not done any video. I did my first video last week because I just wanted my skin to heal. So I was trying to heal my skin. A lot of hyperpigmentation. I had to exfoliate. I have to get rid of that before I can come face the camera. I'll show some of my pictures when I was at home, so you see how dark I tanned. I'm going to share that picture and leave it here, so you see that it wasn't a sweet experience, although I was happy to see my people, Harmattan or no Harmattan. So now back to this cream. So this oil, right, is a very, very good oil, I must say. Really, the oil helps me. Really, one thing I love about this oil is that it really hydrates your skin, it moisturizes your skin and locks up oil, so and locks up moisture. Yeah, so when I apply my moisturizer on my skin, I use this to lock it up, and it really works. Really worked. It did not darken me. There are some oil that you use that will make you go dark. I don't know whether this also contributed to darkening me, but why I would say that it didn't really darken me was because my feet, I was always putting on socks and I was using this oil. My feet did not tan compared to my face that was really exposed to the sun, and I couldn't really protect it as much. For my feet that I could protect, it even lightens better than it was. So I feel this oil contributed to it because it light, and I wasn't really putting it on my face because I'm not a fan of putting oil on the face really. So I was just applying little quantity, but I must say I enjoy the way it made my skin to, you know, to be so nourished. So if your skin is cracked, is saggy, you have this kind of spot, it will help clear it. And then my feet also, I had these knuckles, like dark knuckles, little of it. I will tell you for a fact that this oil cleared all those things, coupled with the fact I was always putting socks, and then this oil, when I came back, all this dark knuckles had faded away. So I must say that this oil works. It also helps with hyperpigmentation. Yeah, so when I came back, I started applying it on my face alongside with my other, you know, treatments, creams and toners, just to get rid of hyperpigmentation, and I saw significant improvement within the last 2 weeks that I came back. Now for me, I will say that if you have issues, maybe you have a very dry skin, you can go for this. It will help to, you know, nourish your skin and firm it up. If you also have oily skin, but you always have this dryness, maybe you're using retinol and all that, you know, retinol can be very drying, you can also use this oil. Really, I guarantee you, it's not an oil that you put on your face and it will be just shining everywhere. No, it will so absorb into your skin and you won't even notice that you have worn any oil. It's going to just be there and giving your skin this glittery and glassy fine look, but not this oily. No, you won't notice that. And this cream, this oil, you can mix it with your cream. Like, you know, I don't like pro-mixing and leaving, but whenever you're using your cream, you can scoop a bit of your lotion or your cream and then add this oil to it, then you mix everything, apply on your body. You can use it on your face and body. It's very, very potent. Really, I love the fact that the fragrance is not too harsh and it helps to, you know, exfoliate. Yes, so that's why the manufacturer claims that it will clear dark spot, and really it does, because it has carrot extract. It also have glutathione. These are lightening agents and they will help fade away all these dark spots and hyperpigmentation. But guys, this oil will not give you this result in 7 days as they claim. All these are marketing strategy, right? So it will not do that, but really you will see a beautiful result after using it. And the fact that it's 250 ml and it's not too expensive, it retails between 7,000 to 9,000 depending on where you're getting it from. So it's really not expensive, guys. You can go for it and it will go a long way. Yeah, it will really go a long way. So guys, I'm not marketing this product. I don't have any affiliation with them. I'm just giving you based on my honest review and my passion for your skin. So guys, if you have used Sub7 turmeric extra whitening oil, please tell us what your experience was. Did it really lighten you? Did it clear the hyperpigmentation? Did it remove those dark knuckles and dark spots on your face? Did it give you this glassy and nourished skin? If it did all this, please tell us in the comment section. We want to hear from you. Now guys, on this note, I'm going to call it a wrap in today's video. Until I come your way again next week, it's still your girl Chi4. If you have not subscribed, this is the right time to click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Bye.